Howdy everybody out there in YouTube land. I am here today with another product review. This one today I'm kind of excited to do. I've been looking for a product like this for a very long time. I finally found one and I'm really hoping it's what I think it is. I hope I'm not disappointed again. I've been looking for a nano coating that is usable on glass. Now, if you're not familiar with nano coatings, or nanoparticles in general, do a little bit of research on that. If you want to know about a particular really wonderful nano coating, go to YouTube and search Ultra Ever Dry. It's called Ultra Ever, E-V-E-R, Dry, D-R-Y. Watch some of their videos and what this nano coating can do. It's just amazing. But up till now, I've not seen a nano coating that's been approved for use on like auto glass, windshields, anything really transparent. They make it for glass, but it leaves a little bit of a haze, makes it a little bit translucent. So I found one here that claims to be a nano coating for a windshield. It's really excited to try it. And let me flip the camera around here. This is it. Nanoshield Plus. It's made by C-Bond. It's C-Bond Nanoshield Plus Advanced Windshield Protection Kit. Now what this does, it'll make the glass stronger. First of all, a nano coating will fill in all the imperfections, bond them, make them stronger, more chip resistant. It's supposed to make your windshield 80% stronger and resistant to chips, guaranteed, and also act as a hydrophobic, which is like it repels water, like a Rain-X or something like that. Now I've used Rain-X, good product. I hate that you got to apply it as often as you do. I've used a product called it's made by Rust-Oleum, Wipe New or something like that. I've used that. It works about as good as the Rain-X. Then I found this. It's $50 in the truck stop at the TA. I bought it with points, so I didn't pay anything for it. It says it strengthens glass, reduces chips and cracks, repels water, enhances visibility. So here's what's in the kit. You have a advanced windshield protection. This is the protectant. You have to clean it with this pre-treatment glass cleaner. They gave you some microfiber rags and a squeegee. I already pre-cleaned my glass. Got it pretty clean there. I'm in a truck stop, by the way, doing this. Clean my glass with this. Oh, here, you get a 2-for-1 product review today. This Amsoil glass cleaner. I love Amsoil products. I got a wholesale account, so I don't pay full price for them. And they just make wonderful products. I wish people were more receptive to using them. I understand they're pricey, but they just make great products. Anyway, so this nano coating, now I wanted to know more about it. Couldn't find a lot of information online on this, so I called the company. I asked to speak to one of their engineers, and the questions I asked him, I says, it doesn't say anywhere on your product how often it has to be reapplied. So I didn't really like the answer I got, but I respect it. I respect that he told me the truth. He said, I'm going to give you 2 answers. He says the first answer is never, and the second answer is once per year. I said, okay, well, I'll explain. He says, well, never, because our product lasts forever. Your windshield will be forever protected. He says, however, we recommend you reapply it once per year, because with any glass, especially auto glass, you're going down the road, you get flexing, you get hot and cold cycles, okay? So he says that makes micro imperfections in the glass. He says you reapply this and it'll fix those. He says other than that, 80% stronger, holding up the chips and getting sandblasted from dump trucks and stuff like that. He says, okay. I says, well, what about the hydrophobic quality? He says hydrophobic, if you're looking for that, he says apply it once every 6 months. He says now what a lot of people do, and you can do, this is a stackable product, which means you can apply this and then you can apply Rain-X over top of it. You can apply, you know, whatever your favorite product like that is, you can apply right over top of this. It will not affect the strength, adding quality of the windshield. So, is it hocus pocus? Does it work? I don't know. I'm very familiar with nano coatings. They're the real deal. So I'm excited about this. However, I'm skeptical. Hey guys, I'm back. I just got done applying this Nanoshield Plus nano coating from C-Bond to my windshield. I did the driver's side windshield, passenger side windshield, and then I did both side windows. I did not do my wing windows because I want to have something to compare to with the hydrophobic properties. So I left that. First impressions, quick impressions from the application process. Gotta be one of the easier products I've ever applied. Man, it didn't take long at all. I had the windshield prepped. You know, this is kind of like painting something, you know. The prep work is key. Get that windshield as clean as you possibly can so you can get good contact with the product. I used pre-treatment glass cleaner. Got a tiny bit left over, so I'll keep that. Keep the microfiber rag that I used for it. That'll be nice for whatever in the truck. So we'll keep those. Got 2 of them. Then the treatment itself, I got a fair bit of that left. I hope I put it on thick enough. It just said evenly cover the whole windshield, let it sit for 15 to 30 seconds, and then squeegee it off. Which, by the way, really nice squeegee. It worked great. If you press hard, it all just comes right off. No mess or nothing. Really nice squeegee too. I'm gonna keep this thing for cleaning the windows and stuff. Really nice. So if I didn't put it on thick enough, I guess I could always do it again. I imagine for this size windshield I probably should have used this whole thing, but I don't know. There's not a lot of instructions with this, so I was careful to follow the instructions to a T so that it gets a fair shake in my review. One thing I will notice, well, you won't even be able to see it with the camera, it left a few kind of white streaks on the window. It must have just smudged a little bit. It does not say in the instructions to wipe those off. All it says is to wipe the corners of the windows after you put it on. That's what that second microfiber is for. So that white smudge, I'm just gonna leave it there now till tomorrow. You're not supposed to get the windshield wet for, I guess, 24 hours. So tomorrow I'll try and wipe that. It's just in a couple tiny little spots. It's not even bad. I'll wipe that off, and if it don't come off, I'll just wipe it with a wet microfiber cloth here to get it off. But I can't see it other than that. Follow the instructions very carefully. I'm gonna run with it like this for some time. If I hit some rain, I'll try and pull the camera out and show you immediately what it looks like. And then we'll give it a fair shake here for, I don't know, until I decide it's time to do a final review on it. We'll talk about it some more. I'm kind of excited about this. I got my hopes up kind of high, but I guess if it don't work out, I didn't pay any money for it. But I encourage you to, if you're not familiar with nano coatings and stuff like that, really look into it. They're great. I'm thinking about trying one on the outside of the truck, on the paint job and stuff, but financially now's not the time for that. So we'll see you in I don't know, month or two and talk some more about this.